Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from omegle in one click only. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Google Chrome and search your omegle. And once you try to visit, you are unable to do that. So to do this, you simply need to download Hotspot Shield and connect that with your smartphone. Once you've done that, you simply need to visit omegle and click on visit omegle.com, and now you can see that it is. Then you need to click on video and click on both these boxes and click on confirm and continue, and now you can see that omegle start. So this is a process by which you can get unbanned from omegle in one click only. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.